What's going on, everyone? My name is Chase Renner, and today we're going to be talking about making over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and Midjourney. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually be using ChatGPT to generate scripts for tools that we want to get paid to promote. And I'm going to give you a free list of over 400 AI tools that you can actually get paid to promote in this video. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Midjourney to actually generate background images for videos. And then we're going to be using an AI cloned version of ourselves to go and actually talk in these videos. So what we're going to be able to do with this is really, really cool because we don't actually have to be in the videos ourselves. This is actually an image of me with a automation again that runs in the background with different Midjourney images, animations. Let me actually just play this for you so you can kind of see what it looks like.
If you want to make money online easily and quickly, using AI and Chat GPT can be a great option. You don't need any previous experience to get started. Here's how you can do it. Go to scarytoolbots.com.
So I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can kind of play around with it, experiment with it. Right now, this new avatar function is about to get included in the system that I'm going to show you, but you can make these videos literally just by typing a script and clicking one button. So first of all, to get started, we're going to head over to scarytoolbots.com. We're going to download a free checklist of different AI tools that we can get paid to promote. So in here, we got so many different tools. These are all tools, or most of them have something called a partner program or affiliate program. That means you can go to one of the tools, scroll to the bottom of the website, or just type in the tool name on Google plus affiliate program. And most of them will have an affiliate program that you can sign up for. And they'll give you a special link that you can get credited for anytime somebody signs up. So all you have to do is get people to click on the link with these different AI generated videos that you're going to be creating, and you can actually earn a lot of money doing this. So look at this, $2,000 unpaid earnings just from this one affiliate. If I go to payouts here, I can see in the last 2 years, thousands and thousands of dollars getting paid out every single month. And the idea here is that you're going to take one of these tools, you're going to promote it with the videos, and then you're going to go to the next tool and promote that one. And so you're going to build up all this reoccurring revenue just by promoting these different tools and the links that they give you. So here's one of the links. All I have to do is just get people to click on that, okay? Now, how do we do that? So what we're going to do is we're going to use a tool called ShineRanker to go and generate these scripts. If you don't want to use ShineRanker, you can always head over to Google and type in ChatGPT and just use ChatGPT on their main site. But if I go to log in on ShineRanker here, I can go and use ChatGPT within ShineRanker, and then I can also generate these videos within ShineRanker as well. But if you don't, again, want to spend the $1 that you would have to spend, it's a $1 trial to go try out ShineRanker, then you can always go over to ChatGPT, and then I'll show you how to manually build these videos as well if you don't want to just click the button inside ShineRanker to go and generate the videos. So here you can see this is my past scripts that I was running through ChatGPT. What I'm basically doing is I'm taking one of the tools that I want to promote, right? Let's say I want to promote this one, System.io. I can go look this tool up on somewhere like TikTok. And what I can do is I can find trending videos. Let me just paste this in here, System.io. And right now I'm not signed into my account, so I don't think I can see this here. I might have to do a private search on TikTok. Let's do that, System.io, top. It looks like I have to sign in. When I look for a video, though, I go System.io. What's going to happen is it's going to show me all the top videos, right? And then what I can do is I can click on one of the videos and I can actually copy the transcription. So let's say this was a video about System.io. Sorry, that was really loud. I can go and right click on the video once I go to it inside of TikTok, paste it in. So loud. And then I can go right here, and there is usually a transcript button. I don't think there's a transcript because it's just music here. And then I can just copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT. And I can have ChatGPT rewrite it, okay? So let's say this is the transcription, or let's say this is the transcription, and you'll see that there's timestamps in the transcription. What I can do is I can say, rewrite this without the transcription. And now we'll have a completely unique script that we can use that's already been proven to go viral that we can use to go and promote whatever tool we want. Now, what I'd recommend is that you actually promote ShineRanker itself, because this tool gives you a 40% reoccurring commission on anybody that signs up through the tool. So if you can get somebody to buy the $1 trial, you can actually get paid every time they pay for the tool. So what you would do is you would take this script here, you'd copy it, and then here's the way you would do it if you didn't have ShineRanker. You'd head over to Midjourney inside of your Discord server. And if you don't have Midjourney, you just grab it at midjourney.com, and then you go over to the Midjourney bot and you would do /imagine, and then you would type in a prompt. So you would type in whatever the first thing is, right? So here are the 5 effective strategies to boost your conversion rate. All right, so that'll be the first prompt, and that'll be the first image. And then we would do imagine, and we do the next prompt. Firstly, implement a 2-click navigation system. Okay. And we'd have to go and do each one of these. Oop, I'd have to do /imagine on that one. But we'd have to do every single one of these prompts. And eventually, once we get enough images, we would be able to drag these images into a tool like CapCut. And CapCut, I'm not sure why this isn't running the prompt here. Let me try this again. Prompt, imagine this. There we go. So you can see I got the first image. I would download one of these images here. I'd open a tool like CapCut, and I'd start dragging these images into CapCut. But as you can see, this is pretty manual. It takes a lot of time. And I'll be honest with you, I used to do this before we created this tool that did it for you. I would actually manually go and make these videos like this. So you would do this first one. You would add an animation effect by clicking on effects. Put like some sort of animation here on top of it. But you can see it takes a while to do this, right? We got to go do that. And then we got to go do the text to speech. So we use another tool called 11 Labs. And then we'd actually go and paste the script that we got from ChatGPT into 11 Labs here. And we'd go click on generate. We can clone our own voice if we want to in here, but let's just use a pre-made voice.
Here are 5 effective.
So I download that, and then I would drag that into CapCut. But again, you can see like this takes about an hour to 2 hours to do for each video. Now, as you can see inside of our ShineRanker tool, I have a bunch of these videos already made. All I had to do was just upload the script in here, custom script, and then I clicked on generate, and I was able to get these videos. This is with the new avatar feature I was telling you about earlier. This is still in beta, but let me show you how some of these came out because I used the same script for each of them. Let's press on this one. This one was with a robot avatar here.
If you want to make money online easily and quickly, using AI and Chat GPT can be a great option. You don't need any previous experience.
Okay, and then this one.
If you want to make money online easily and quickly, using AI and Chat GPT can be a great.
So these videos are pretty cool, right? Because they actually get a lot of views. You might be looking at this and be like, well, Chase, why would I post these types of videos when I could just make the content manually? Well, again, remember, this is one click, and we're able to get tons and tons of views on these, like 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 10,000 views. And these are actually without the AI avatars. And then look at all the leads coming in here as well. These are all people that are responding with the word yes. They want to learn more. And then we're using AI to actually automatically follow up with these comments as well. I'll show you how we're doing that in a second. So if you didn't want to use all this other technology, what you would do is you'd head over to the AI video tools inside of ShineRanker, AI text to image. You click on advanced options, and then you would paste your caption in here. Now you can see a couple of these video generations failed. It's because there are certain things that can go wrong with the tool. If you have the wrong API key entered, if you get some of the settings off, you can you'll run into that problem. And I'm going to actually probably make a troubleshooting video as well inside of the ShineRanker VIP tab. When you get inside of our tool, there's a checklist here that shows you everything you need to do. So I'm going to actually be updating these very soon to show you how to actually troubleshoot if you are running into any video generation errors. But what I would recommend is just go into here and you can either type in an idea up here. This will just give you a basic video, or you can turn on advanced options and you can start putting in different API keys, which will actually allow you to do more custom type things, like add your own voice if you don't want to use a pre-made voice. It'll allow you to do more image prompts. So if you want a more unique video, you can do animations so the video moves around. And again, I'm going to leave everything inside of the VIP checklist. I'll actually be updating that today with some new stuff just to go and show you all of the new features inside of the tool. But either way, what you do is you basically type in your script and you click on generate, and you will get a video like the one I showed you. Except again, the avatars are not ready yet. That'll be out soon. Right now, you'll just get a video without the avatars, which is basically just one of these AI generated videos with midjourney images. Okay. But with the new update, you will be able to put an avatar in here as well. So you'll have the midjourney images in the background with the avatar in the front talking, a bunch of cool stuff like that. All right. Now, what you do is you download these videos, and then what we're actually using is we're using a system called Radar to schedule these out. So if I download, let's say, this video here, I can go into Radar, and I can actually connect a bunch of social media accounts. And what I can do is I can upload one of these videos. So if I go here to this little green button, I can click on New Post. I'm going to go and drag that video I just got into Radar here. Oh, I got to upload it as a reel because this is going to be a reel. And it looks like, am I doing the robot? Yeah, I think I'll do the robot. And then I can select all the social media channels that I want to post this to. So I got a lot of different accounts here, as you can see. Instagram, Facebook pages. And I actually have a lot of different accounts that I'm growing at once, because instead of me trying to just go get a couple thousand views on my Instagram, I'm going to go and try to get a bunch of views, you know, a couple thousand views on 10 Instagram pages, right? It makes it so much easier for me to get, you know, 30, 40,000 views when I'm posting to all these different profiles. Now I can name my caption. I can have ChatGPT generate this if I want, or I can just paste the script that I put in here into the box. So let's go ahead and see the script that we had. Here it is, copy. And we're going to go ahead, go back to Instagram, or no, sorry, Radar. And we're going to put that there, okay? And we'll do hashtag AI, hashtag ChatGPT. All right, and now I can schedule this out to post later today, or I can have it scheduled out to post right around now. So let's just do in a couple minutes, okay? And you can see how I can start uploading all of my content in advance, so I don't have to upload every day manually. I can go and start making all this content so that I don't have to sit on the computer all day, right? I can sit here, drink some coffee, drink some tea, and make all my videos for the week, schedule them all out like this, and I'm done, okay? And I can post to all these different accounts. Now, here's what's even cooler is when I start getting comments, right? Because in all my videos, I tell people to respond with the word yes if they want to learn more, or if they want the link to the affiliate tool or whatever I'm promoting. I can use another tool called ManyChat to actually automatically go and respond to all these comments. So I can set up an automation here like this. Instagram comment auto respond. You can see there's 12,000 of these sent. So if somebody comments on my reel, I can say, hey, it's Chase. Get started with the full free training at this link, or get started. And again, this gets sent as a DM. So not only am I automatically responding to them, to their comment like this, but I'm also sending them a direct message with the actual link to the thing that I'm promoting. So everything I do at this point is really, really automated. Now, on top of this, I even have virtual assistants. You can go to a website like onlinejobs.ph, and you can actually hire people to go and run these automations for you, okay? You just go search for talent, type in VA, and you can have somebody go and run the tool for you, schedule out all of the videos in advance. I'm actually not making most of these videos. My team is, my virtual assistants are, and then they're uploading them here for me. And then all I have to do is just click play the video, make sure I like it, and then click on schedule when I'm ready to schedule this out and post it, okay? So at this point, I don't really have to do that much, right? It's all pretty automated. And you can have this system too. I'm actually, again, going to be adding a lot more into this checklist here so that you can learn everything that you need to do. We already have 140 videos in here. I just need to clean them up a little bit. But if you go to shineranker.com, you can grab the dollar trial just below this video. It's right here. Just click on get the dollar trial. You can also see all the people that are using this tool. There's tons and tons of people that are using the tool. And then if you type in /partner at the end of this, you can also get an affiliate link, and you can actually get paid to promote this exact system. Now, what's really cool is we actually give you a link where you can promote the homepage of ShineRanker, right? So if you promote this homepage here and somebody enters their email, I actually have a fully automated system here where it will email the person that entered their email, and I'll go and close them for you. I have all these things set up where if somebody enters that email, look at this, they get this email, then they get this one, then this one, then this one, all these different emails. And then when they buy, it pulls them out of here and puts them in the next automation, which you also get credited if they buy our annual pass, which we actually have a yearly pass for ShineRanker. It's $497 a year, which breaks down to about $40 a month. And you get unlimited use of the tool for $497 a year. And so I'll do all this for you. All you have to do is send people to that homepage. Okay. Now, if you want to get in on the monthly, again, go try it out for $1. If you want to get in on the yearly, I'll leave a link to the yearly pass. That will probably expire pretty soon. We're not going to have the yearly open forever at that price because it is over 50% off. I think it's actually more like 60 or 70% off. So if you want to grab it, you can go grab it again in the links below. But if you're just on the landing page, you want to try it out, go try it out for $1. If you don't like the tool, I'll give you your $1 back. Okay. You don't have to keep the tool. You can go try it out. You don't have to have these APIs to run the tool. People ask me all the time, Chase, do I have to add these APIs in here? No. They're optional. You can run the tool without the APIs. The APIs are really just if you want to add your own custom voice, if you want more midjourney prompts, and everything else is, pretty optional. Okay. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy the tool, and I'll see you inside the training. Again, go into this tab here, ShineRanker VIP, and then while you're there, make sure you join our group as well. We have a few free groups that you can join, a Discord group, a Facebook group, completely free. And again, if you don't want this tool, if you go through some of the videos, you try it out, I'll give you your $1 back if you don't like it. So I'll see you inside. Till I do, happy money making. See you next time. Bye.